Hey Bambarkada. So, they say the best kind of bicycle is a bicycle that encourages you to ride more often. For today's Bambike bike check, we're going to be taking a look at a bamboo bike that's focused on practicality, low maintenance, and comfort. Let's go! Alright, this lovely bamboo bike behind me is the Silay 2.0. It's our take on the city bike slash all-around commuter slash daily touring bike, and it's one of our favorite models for just getting around the city or hopping to a cafe or biking to work. So, let's take a look. Now the Silay 2.0 has the same great features as our other bamboo bikes. As you can see, it has the same double engineered bamboo top tubes, the signature whole bamboo down tube, and the abaka wrapping that holds everything together. But there are quite a few things that set it apart from our other models. For one, it has a more relaxed geometry that allows you to ride in a more upright position. It features an integrated rear rack that's built into the frame, so this is great for carrying panniers or crates or whatever cargo you have. And there's also an option to add a basket. If you like to wear your work clothes on your bike commute so you don't have to bring a change of clothes, this bike also features full fenders and a chain guard that keeps the mud and grime away from your pants. One of the strengths of this bike is its simplicity. So it features a very easy to maintain single-speed drivetrain with a 40/16 tooth ratio. On a drivetrain like this, there's barely anything to maintain, so you can practically just ride and go. The brakes on this bike are a simple V-brake system that can be easily adjusted even if you don't have much experience as a bike mechanic. This bamboo bike also uses a standard threaded headset. Now this gives you a bit of flex when riding, so it adds to the comfort, and it gives you a greater degree of adjustability, allowing you to raise the handlebars a bit more than usual. Now this contributes to the relaxed geometry of the bike, helping you ride a bit more upright and a bit more comfortable. Now the Silay 2.0 isn't the fastest bike in the world, but that's not the point. The point of Silay 2.0 is something that you can ride every day, something that's very easy to maintain. It's a bike with a bit of an old soul that reminds me of old school builds, and I think that works really well with the bamboo aesthetic. So if you're looking for a ride that's chill, if you're looking for a ride that's easy to maintain, if you want something for going to work, going to the cafe, picking up flowers for your next date, grabbing groceries, then the Silay 2.0 is the bike for you. So as a content creator, the Silay 2.0 is one of my favorite bike models because of the upright riding position. It almost feels like you're seated on a chair when you're riding this bike. Now, it's not as fast as a road bike, it can't take on off-road as well as a mountain bike, but with the comfort that this bike provides, I feel like I can ride it for days and I'd still be fine.